AGBA stock analysis tomorrow. Where is it going next? Showing you my price predictions in 1 minute videos. So watch this video till the end. AGBA Group Holding Limited is sitting at 283. That's where it closed, and it's 280 right now post market, which seems like it kind of went down. To give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all that because that is the truth, and I've documented everything. But with AGBA, I have like some context written up here. It says, "Waiting for my rules to be met." So what does that mean? I want to see the price pull back a little bit deeper and then give me the double break. And only when that happens is when I'm bullish. It's obviously not financial advice, and all I'm doing here is following my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins. So it's not financial advice by any means. So yeah, because this is from a data swing trade perspective. If it starts going below the low, so and it doesn't give me the rules, whatever, man. It's just an opportunity. It's just even if it's a loss, nothing bad that can happen. They don't die. But yeah, for a free course, check the first link in the description.